Slocum, Ivy Masters Learning Center at ivymasters.com. And today we're going to look at Test 6, Section 1, number 24, which reads, which statement about striped cucumber beetles can most reasonably be inferred from the passage? So what I've done is I've marked off all the spots where each answer choice is addressed. Answer choice A says they feed primarily on Texas gourd plants. So you might be thinking that's the answer because what I have marked out as A over here says, Texas gourd vines unfurl their large flared blossoms in dim hours until sunrise. Until they close at noon, their yellow petals and their mild squashy aroma attract bees that gather nectar and shuttle pollen from flower to flower. But when you advertise the pollinators, you advertise an open communication networks, says chemical ecologist Ian Baldwin of the Max Planck Institute of Chemical Ecology in Germany. You attract not just the good guys, but you also attract the bad guys. For Texas gourd, the striped cucumber beetles are among the very bad guys. So we see that striped cucumber beetles are attracted to the Texas gourd. It's actually not the correct answer. Why is it not the correct answer? Because of the word primarily. It doesn't say that they're primarily attracted to the Texas gourd plants. In fact, I would guess that striped cucumber beetles are attracted more to striped cucumbers, but I don't really look into it. So anyway, it doesn't say it in the text. It's going to be wrong. Answer choice B, they are less attracted to dimethoxybenzene than honeybees are. So let's look answer choice, what I marked out as B over here. She said to find out. What are she and Adler, Theus and Adler, what are they finding out? They're finding out if more fragrance is going to attract more pollinators, more bees. To find out, she and Adler planted 168 Texas gourd vines in an Iowa field, and throughout the August flowering season, made half of the plants more fragrant by tuxing the methoxybenzene treated swabs deep inside their flowers. Each treated flower emitted about 45 times more fragrance than the normal ones. And then what they saw was double the normal number of beetles on fragrance-enhanced blossoms. So it sounds like beetles were more attracted to the ones that had more fragrance. So we cannot say that the beetles are less attracted to the methoxybenzene than honeybees are. Sounds like, if anything, they're more attracted. And we do find out later in the passage that they are, in fact, more attracted. Answer choice C, they experience only minor negative effects as a result of carrying bacterial wilt disease. Let's go to what I marked out as C here. Striped cucumber beetles are among the very bad guys. They chew up pollen and petals, defecate, which means they poop in the flowers, and transmit the dreaded bacterial wilt disease, an infection that can reduce an entire plant to a heap of collapsed tissue in mere days. That's not a minor negative effect, it's destroying the flower. So the correct answer must be D. Let's check out answer choice D. You would want to investigate before you circle it, but I don't see the answer, so I'm circling. They are attracted to the same compounds in the Texas gourd scent that squash bees are. And line 20 over here, the Texas gourd vine's main pollinators are honeybees and specialized squash bees, which respond to its floral scent. The aroma includes 10 compounds, but the most abundant and only one that lures squash bees into traps is 1,4-dimethoxybenzene. Beetles, oh yeah, and then it skipped, I skipped some lines here, and then what she and Adler did was they planted 168 Texas gourd vines in the Iowa field throughout the August flowering season, made half of the plants more fragrant by tuxing dimethoxybenzene treated swabs deep inside their flowers. And each treated flower emitted 45 times the amount of normal fragrance. And line 65, what they saw was double the number of normal bees on fragrance-enhanced blossoms. So it says up here that it's the only aroma that lures squash bees is the 1,4-dimethoxybenzene. So then they make the plants more fragrant by using the dimethoxybenzene. And once they do make the plants more fragrant by using more methoxybenzene, they see double the number of beetles. So it says that the methoxybenzene lures squash bees here, and then it says that they lure the beetles there. Correct answer here is D. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You can share it with someone who has trouble with these no-line reference questions. If there's any question you'd like to see answered from any official PSAT or SAT or ACT, leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. Click subscribe so you don't miss anything, and check out our 1-minute video on TikTok. Have a great day.